Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego parrot on a stand. So these are the pieces we will need for this build. So the first piece we will need is one of these grey connectors, and then get one of these 1x1 tiles, put it on like this, and get a 1x1 double-sided hole black one, and then put it on. Get another one, but a red one, and then put it just here. And then you'll need another of these 1x1 tiles, put it onto here, and then get this. And then get this, and then put this aside. It's basically the stand of it. And then we get one of these pieces and then put it on. And then put this 1x1 tile on, and then an orange one. Then you get one of these pieces that is basically a connector for the beak. And then you get this kind of shoe piece for a beak. And then turn it around, get this, turn it around, and then put this connector. And then get it, put it onto here like this. And then we need to get one of these slope pieces, and then one of these flat 1x1 tile. And now put this away for a second, so I'll just connect it onto here for a second. So now we get one of these pieces, and then get one of these 4x4 tiles, and then you get one of these 1x3 flat tile, and then put this aside. And then you get one of these, and then put this, and put another one on top. Get another red slope piece, and then another orange tile, and a blue piece, and basically do exactly the same thing for the other side. So then you get this, and then put it on again, and then put it on like this. Then connect the tail on, and you've got Parrot on a stand. So it has some function when you take it off. This is a bit weak, so I think it's just for display. It's got function, but not really good function. So never mind, I guess. So, do you guys like it? Subscribe to see my videos. Bye guys.